Hi, I'm Hayley from Motion Hatch, and I've teamed up with School of Motion to bring you the ultimate Black Friday deal roundup. There were so many Black Friday deals out there that I've done not one, but 2 Black Friday deal videos, so you can check out the other one after you've watched this video on the Motion Hatch channel. As it's nearing the holidays, we thought it'd also be nice to do a giveaway. So there'll be 3 winners for this giveaway. You can either win a spot in MOGRT Mania that helps you to create customizable templates in After Effects for your Premiere Pro projects, or After Effects for editors, or a spot in my course Client Quest, where we teach you how to get regular high-paying clients. So to learn how to enter, you need to watch to the end of this video. So let's get into the deals. When you need a plugin for After Effects, aescripts and aeplugins have you covered. They pretty much have a plugin for, well, everything. And one of my personal favorites is GIF Gun, the fastest, most awesome way to create a GIF. Another plugin that I'm a massive fan of is K-Bar. You can create a shortcut of absolutely anything in After Effects, so it comes in pretty handy. And luckily for you, aescripts has 25% off absolutely everything from the 25th of November to the 2nd of December. So if you're watching this video at the time of release, go and get some awesome plugins right now. And Adobe Creative Cloud has 25% off, so if you're thinking about jumping into After Effects or any of the other apps, probably now is a great time to do it. School of Motion's very own EJ Hassenfratz, aka Eyedesyn, is giving you 35% off his entire site as well. So if you are a 3D artist and you're looking for some packs for Cinema 4D, you should definitely go over there and check them out. Speaking of Cinema 4D, INSYDIUM, maker of X Particles, have 50% off their perpetual and maintenance licenses, and you can get access to that using the code BF1/2. Maybe you're thinking about upgrading your workstation, and Black Friday can be a great time to upgrade your gear, especially if you're doing all of those Cinema 4D projects. Micro Center has a ton of Black Friday deals for all of your computer needs, and remember, shop online and don't go in store because it can get really ugly. If you are looking for some new design tools, you should definitely check out Affinity. They are used by artists all over the world. Because they don't have a subscription model, you can save thousands on these design tools, and also they're giving you 40% off right now as well. Adding texture to your design can really elevate your work, but it can be time consuming to create your own textures. So TrueGrit have some great textures and brushes that you can use for your designs. They work in Procreate and also apps like Illustrator. So head over to TrueGrit's website and check out the deals that they have on now. So starting on the 22nd of November and ending on Black Friday, ActionVFX have 55% off their whole site. And also they have 2 times the credits on their annual plans. So if you do any type of VFX work, or you want to be like Michael Bay and make some awesome explosions, then you should definitely go and take advantage of ActionVFX's deal. The Futur have a ton of different deals dropping on their newsletter, so make sure you signed up for that if you want to grow your professional creative career. And they've also got 25% off all their courses, and they have a little special surprise for you on Cyber Monday as well. During Black Friday week, Pixel Lab are also doing 30% off their entire store. So if you want more motion design resources, then you should go and check them out. So now what you've been waiting for, our giveaway. What you need to do is you need to comment below with your favorite deal from this video, and then you need to go and watch my other video on Motion Hatch channel and comment below that video which was your favorite deal from that video. By watching and commenting on both of the videos, you will be entered into our School of Motion and Motion Hatch giveaway, where you can either win MOGRT Mania, After Effects for editors, or Client Quest. So best of luck, and we will be announcing the winners on our community pages a week after the videos are released. School of Motion are opening their winter registration on December 12th, where you can get access to their guided courses. Find out more, you should go to schoolofmotion.com. If you would like to get help to start and scale your animation and design business, then you can go and check out my YouTube channel at Motion Hatch. I make videos on how to price your work, how to get clients, and how to market yourself. And remember to check out my Black Friday video over there for even more deals.